In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for your very own Walmart account in 2025 with an easy step-by-step guide. Whether you're using a computer or a mobile device, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to decide if you want to use the Walmart website or the app. If you're going the website route, open your favorite web browser and head over to view.walmart.com. For those who prefer using an app, simply download the Walmart app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and once it's installed, open it up to get started. Now, once you're on the Walmart platform, it's time to move on to the account creation process. On the website, you'll want to look towards the top right corner where you'll see an option labeled Account. Click on it, and then select Create Account from the drop-down menu. If you're in the app, tap on Account at the bottom, choose Sign In, and then you'll see the Create Account option. Go ahead and tap on that to proceed. After you've reached the account creation page, you'll need to enter some personal information. This includes providing your email address, which will be used for logging in, and important notifications. You'll also need to fill in your first name and last name. Don't forget to enter a valid mobile phone number, as this will be important later. Lastly, you'll create a password. For security reasons, make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once all your information is filled in, it's crucial to read and accept Walmart's terms of use and privacy policy. Take a moment to go through them to understand their guidelines and your rights as a user. After reviewing, check the box to confirm your agreement. Finally, it's time to verify your new account. To ensure the security of your personal information, Walmart will send you a verification code, which you could receive either by email or as a text message on the phone number you've provided. Once you receive the code, simply enter it in the provided field to complete the sign-up process. And there you have it. You now have your very own Walmart account ready to help you save time and money with online shopping, exclusive deals, and much more. Remember, having an account allows you to track your orders, save your favorite items, and enjoy a more personalized shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy shopping!